Hi guys, my name is Sarah and we're doing a part 3 of solving for x in these radical equations. This one is going to be more quick, so I'm just going to get right into it. Radical 3 plus x minus 5 is equal to negative 2. So the first thing we want to do is we want to isolate that square root. So we're going to add 5 on both sides to get it by itself. So we now have radical 3 plus x is equal to negative 2 plus 5, which gives us 3. Now we have the square root isolated, so now we have to square both sides to get rid of the square root. So now we're left with 3 plus x is equal to 3 squared, which is the same thing as 9. And now we just regularly solve for x, so 3 minus 3 on both sides. So now we have x is equal to 6. And that would be your answer.